What is new with the iPhone 14? The good news is that battery life has been improved with the iPhone 14. And it lasts an hour longer than the iPhone 13. With its larger size, the iPhone 14 Plus has even longer battery life than the iPhone 14. iPhone 14 lasts for up to 20 hours when watching video, while iPhone 14 Plus lasts for up to 26 hours when watching video. There's a 48 megapixels main sensor, along with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor with a wider aperture, and a 12 megapixel telephoto sensor. The iPhone 14 Pro models are able to offer 3x optical zoom thanks to the telephoto lens and 15x digital zoom. The standard iPhone 14 models have 5x digital zoom but no optical zoom. What is new with the